Okay, so for this we're going to need some nicely lightly washed kale and cut into bigger chunks, maybe like a size like this, like a hand size almost. You don't want to cut it too small, that way it's easier for you to pull it out of the bag. We're going to need fresh cut kale, cutting board, Ziploc bag, large size of course, and I have 3 pieces of actually damp towel paper, so I have 3 ready because we're going to wrap it up in smaller batches so they stay fresh longer. Step number 1, of course, we're going to take a handful of kale and we're going to wrap them up like this so it doesn't lose its very lightly. We're not doing anything aggressive in this roll. It's a very light. Take a handful of kale and maybe a little bit. Handful of kale, and you're just going to wrap it up with it very lightly, like this. Finally, the third one. The third one is going to be a little more easier, only because we're going to take these stems and put it here and do one more roll like this, something light. So now we have, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3 batches, and then we have, of course, some leftover kale. I'll show you what to do with the leftover kale because we're still going to put it in this bag. Okay, so I have taken those 3 rolls, put it in the Ziploc bag. They are, of course, coming out a little bit, which is exactly what we want. The leftover, we're still going to put it in the same bag. The reason we did light towel paper is so it can moist all the leaves and keep the moisture in the bag. We're going to take some more, put it in the bag like this. Of course, almost done. Of course, guys, this is my 1 week of batch. So in my family, of course, we eat a lot of kale, and of course it does have the most vitamins and antioxidants, superfood that they call, and there you have it, guys. So I'm just going to shake it up a little bit, make it equal, and there you have it, friends. Fresh bag of kale, and this will last you, they will stay crunchy. Of course, the texture won't be gone. You're not freezing all the nutrients of it, so it's still in there. And this should be okay for about a month, I would say. Enjoy, and please do let me know what you think about this kale video and what you guys would like to see next. Thank you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our video. See you next time.